Thanks for clicking on Team Ez TV. We are at the Expo in Tulsa. It's practice day.
Okay, I'm good. Thank you.
All right, go get him, bud. Be smart.
We are rolling down the ramp. It is chili bowl time. Oh yeah, she's pretty juiced up out there.
Well, that was a lot of fun. First laps around the Expo Center. And I know that this is just practice day. This day doesn't mean anything. Every night is different. So you have to be good on your prelim night, not on practice. Hey, thank you so much for clicking on the channel. I'm gonna get back to it. We got one more practice set and I'm gonna do some vlogging, some videos. Really appreciate you clicking on the channel. Please go like and subscribe. It is free. Meh. All right, so Donnie Gentry, my crew chief, is running the 7S. I'm going to throw the camera on top of his car, and let's go see how his first laps ever around the Expo go.
That brake. If I touch the brake, it locks it up.
Yeah. They're a lot better than what you and I ran, aren't they?
All right, so I just got done editing my video. You can go check that one out. But it is almost time for me to go. Donnie just got off the track. He said the track is slick. Okay, so at the Chili Bowl, they allow us to run a wider wheel. Typically, we're on 8-inch left rears, 10-inch right rear, so we can run a 12-inch right rear tire. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out. Pull the right rear in, stagger out, couple turns in the nose, adjust the rear shocks, maybe a little bit softer on compression, a little bit more rebound, let the fronts go, a little bit of rebound out of the fronts, you know, take 20, 30 pounds of rebound out of the fronts, let the front fly a little bit, and we'll see how this thing is. Oh yeah, she's slick to the fence. Little baby curb. Bottom looks pretty good. Yeah, she's nice and slick now. Curved up there though. was pretty good.
Needs a little side bite, maybe off. At least
Yeah.
down in 1 and 2.
Hey, there ain't shit out there on the bottom though. So, like, you can't have grip when there's no grip.
Yeah.
Hopefully I didn't bend anything. I kind of got in the fence.
You're all right. Yeah, you look good. Buddy.
Yeah. Good. All right, so we got Garrett Benson in the 7B. We got Kyle Jones in the 7TX because he's from Texas. We got Donnie Gentry, my crew chief, in the 7S. There it is, the 7X, my girl. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Slick to the fence, ripped the lip. Man, there wasn't much on the bottom, but it's the same for everybody. This is just a practice day, so we won't even have this racetrack again. But hey, thank you so much for clicking on the channel. If you could, go like and subscribe. It really helps me out. We're at 38,000 followers. I am so pumped. If you do follow me, thank you so much. And man, it's 2026, so I gotta set goals. And my goal for this year is to get up to 50,000 followers. It really would help your boy T-Mez, my pocket, and really appreciate everybody following along with T-Mez TV. I don't know if you know this, I do all my own camera work and all my own editing, and thanks to you, I have this awesome T-Mez TV YouTube channel. Hey, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We got a couple more cars to go, and we're done for the day. I race on Wednesday. We'll see you then. Sprint cars and midgets are insane. You gotta have a lot of energy and a lot of focus to get the job done. I had a steering part break 3 months ago, and I drove the car straight into the fence, probably 80 miles an hour to a dead stop. My head was ringing for 2 months. Had to take some time out of the race car. Was ADD, was all over the place. And then once I got on these gummies, I really felt like the recovery was a lot quicker. I had energy, I had positive thoughts, I had motivation. Like, these gummies are motivators to be productive in your life. No joke, every which one of them works. The boost gives you boost, the focus gives you focus. The rest gummy really gets you that quality rest that you need. And honestly, I've been highly recommending these to people and excited to promote something that I believe in, something that's been helpful for me on a daily basis.
Transform